Now, if you already have a domain, all you need to do is connect it to your Squarespace website, and you can just click on use a domain I own and then follow the instructions. However, if you don't have a domain, you can just purchase it directly here on Squarespace. So you can just go and click on get a domain. Then you want to look for the domain you want to use. I'm just going to go with medicsweddingphotography.com. And as we can see, it's still available. So let's choose it and click on checkout. Then here we can adjust the term length for this domain. I'm going to set it to 1 year because I'm not really going to use this website, and then click on save and continue. Then to register this domain, you need to enter your personal and contact information and click on save and continue and confirm the payment. Now the registration for our domain is processing. So let's click on done at the bottom. And this takes us back to the domain settings. Now, before we can activate our new domain, we have to verify our email. So you want to log in to your email inbox and look for an email from Squarespace saying action required, verify your Squarespace domain contact. Then here, just click on verify now. Now, if you don't receive this email in your inbox right away, what you can do is go back to the domain settings and then click on your domain. And then somewhere here, it will say resend verification email. And this way you should receive it in your inbox. Once the email is verified, let's click on return to account dashboard. Then let's go to our website, go to settings, then go to site availability. And now we can set our website to public and click save. And now our website is live. So we can just copy our URL that we have registered before, go to a new tab, paste that in, and then we can see our website live.